Six Sigma is more than a tool. It's an evolution in how organizations think about problems, performance, customers, and excellence. Six Sigma exists today as a problem-solving methodology, a philosophy, a metric, and a management system. At its heart, Six Sigma uses data to identify root causes. X is affecting outcomes. Y. This makes improvements permanent, not cosmetic. In a French museum, after fighting pigeons endlessly, the real problem turned out to be lighting attracting insects. Changing the lights solved the pigeon problem. Moral: always fix the real cause, not the symptom. Six Sigma changed how businesses think. Customer perception defines quality. Employee involvement is crucial, and variation must be reduced ruthlessly. At an airport, even after improving baggage delivery times, complaints stayed high because customers hated standing idle. By redesigning the walking path, customer experience was transformed. Lesson: internal metrics are meaningless if the customer still feels unhappy. Six Sigma created a common language through metrics like Z-values and DPMO. Now, different departments could be compared fairly, promoting true data-driven decisions. Without measurement, slow process decay remains invisible, like a frog sitting in slowly boiling water. Early data tracking helps businesses avoid catastrophic failures. Using common metrics allows leaders to prioritize and make better decisions. Jack Welch said, "Six Sigma companies hate variation and love delivering exactly what the customer wants." Six Sigma offers complete frameworks to either improve existing processes, DMAIC, or create new ones, DMADV-EDFSS. DMAIC gives structure to problem solving. Each phase builds on data and drives deeper toward sustainable improvements. At Subway, managers assumed high prices were the issue, but real data revealed slow service queues were causing sales losses. Fixing the queue increased sales by 30% without needing discounts. DMADV is about designing new processes or products from scratch with customer requirements built in, rather than fixing broken systems later. Six Sigma is a mindset, a measurement system, a toolkit, and a management philosophy, all combined to create predictable excellence.